Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. After I did my little video on the jack modification, not a hack as some have said, whatever you want to say, I had some questions in the comments, and they said, which made sense, why don't you lift the car with it? Well, you know, okay, we'll give it a try. We'll lift the car with it. And maybe we'll even do some stuff that we shouldn't be lifting with it. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, so let's get under the car here, or alongside the car, whichever it may be here, and we will see if we can lift it with our scissors jack and our Milwaukee stubby. So we're going to use the jack and the stubby impact just because we can. We have the stubby impact. You can use any impact, of course. And if you didn't see the last video, basically, here's all we'll do. Right here. Oh. Very nice. Okay. So, that works like that. The only thing I did was the, let me put the jack back up here. The only thing I did was these threads in here. I put some fluid film on to lube it up a bit, to make her run a little freer. So let's see what happens down there. Alright, so as you can see, we're underneath the car, and I think you can see here this is bent up because this is so rusted. We'll try to get up front here a little bit. Let me swing here. We'll try to get up here better where the jack is supposed to go, but it's all rotted out underneath there. It's one of the reasons that this car has been left to go and no longer in road service. Let's see if we can get her lined up. Man, there ain't much left here. Alright, so okay, here we go. Keep this. Lifted it up. Get you seen the rust falling out. Hey, welcome to Pennsylvania, my friends. But okay, that's as high as the jack will go. It's not high enough here in my driveway for some reason to get that tire off, but it did lift it. Let's bring her down. Let's go back up. Yep, the tire's barely off the ground now. So, man, that rust is scary stuff. I hear her cracking and popping. Let's leave her down. So there you go. It works doing the job what it's supposed to. How many times it'll go up and down, I really don't know. So let's go to the back and we'll try it on the back, just for gits and shiggles. Plus we want to test out the battery and the gun itself, you know, how long battery's gonna last, and the gun, and possibly the jack too. Okay, so we're on the back. Putting my safety glasses on. Now we'll go. Ah, that's pretty sweet. I'll turn you here just a little bit. You can see the tires barely up off the ground, but it's up off the ground. So let's leave her down. That is pretty damn nice, I must say. The other thing I'd like to use this for is when I put my snow plow on in the winter to mount it in the front, I always need to help with a little hydraulic jack, and That's nice and easy, but boy, wouldn't it be easier with this? What I'm going to try now is I'm just going to lift up one side of the Duramax here, just for the curiosity of my viewers, to see what it'll do. A little more weight than with that diesel in there, a little more weight than the car would have. So let's see if it hefts it up. We'll set it up and we'll see. And yes, I know, not proper jacking points. Not this, not that. I understand. We're not doing it for that. We're just doing it to see what it'll lift. Do not, I repeat, do not try this at home. It is not for the weak of heart, nor the faint of heart. Oh, you hurt me. You hurt me. Oh, you hurt me. One more time, just for the hell of it. What do we got to lose other than a jack? Nope. Yep. She ain't made for that. Light duty applications only need apply. Alright, just for my loving fans, I decided to do this and bring out the big gun, the 1/2 inch Milwaukee Impact. Let's see if it was the jack, or let's see if it was the stubby. Alright, you're watching this in real time, never performed anywhere before. Uh-oh, jack didn't like that. Alright, let's change the angle a little bit. Put it the way it's supposed to be on that, if we can. Because it actually has a little groove there. Let me reset this up, I'll be right back. Get my safety glasses on. Make sure I'm not laying under anything that'll fall on me. Don't want a disgruntled dead man. Well, maybe, I don't know. Whoop. Come on. Hey now. Okay, that worked. Let's bring her down. Okay, since we got a better jack set up, let's go grab our stubby. As I say, kiddies, don't try this at home. Remember, I'm a trained something. But okay, we grabbed hold of our stubby. Let's see, gotta go in the right direction. Okay. All right, that is a fresh battery, brand new out. The stubby will not. 1/2-inch drive impact will. There you have it. That little jack will work, and it'll lift that Duramax. You need the 1/2-inch impact. It'll lift the car with the stubby. So, you know, as long as you have more power, that little jack will hold up at least for a couple times. And that's basically what we wanted to see today. So once again, hey, thanks for watching. This is Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic. See ya.